Free education na ye woman emboa ye.
So I mean system me so amento me to ama.
Okay. Adentia.
Me abato omo nkoto ma de omo union mo na omo yere na omo mo ndi omo sika.
Se na ote judgment lo osu. Ya bi o ya ma ye concert obi na adwuma. Okay. To ntwe ne ho ne nhu ya nim.
Yen system anan to aso. Me mpe mu bia.
Ya system anya me be say man. Yes,
nyoma. System anya be say man.
Be say man. Is nyoma ko so na nye. Yankopon dey ma so nsamra. Okay. So to me be di 3 terms kwa Ghana be ti sabluchi.
I will say ma me na wasem akwa ba fa me Adepa TV so nyame ya adoma aka 4 days na say ye beto aba. Me nda ya ebe ya na say na ye 7 December. A che say ya ka jeba nya bedu na say me nda ya eneja ebe ba bedu ama yetimi ato aba so man ba pa. Ne senti no Adepa TV ene yi me wa Madina a meja amanfo adwenchwe fa abato ho. Me sure so be ka me ho na che say ya kwa akwaji amanfo adwenchwe na ansa na no na mesua wo say abato yi me yenye na sumdue mu ene odo se de be ya woto wa ba wi a mesua wo say wo be ba fie every time say wo mo kan a na wakogina boko na wa witness bi wo wi a wa ba yenye na yemfa sumdue ni odo emfa entina boko se de ye ne de bia no ka me ho ne yankwaje amanfo adwenchwe emra midi e de akosi aboaje wa akumi de show sister de mechi na yenko e ba chenya me ya adoma eye memenda we ya 7 December obeto aba
mi ginam
wo ginam a wo to ama wan
anu se kapi
okay yes se ma na say ye to aso ye to aso adentia
me na nya so mfa so mom me be wie school next year ba be man de second so e wo yes 3 to no so mini so no so benya be to aso a so benya be akọ me de no de nya me free education aboa me pa isa satam na na be ko school na no ma munye ntinsen ka mo je ho no ma na te sa je admission ka ho a nka be yela ma me ntino
na to sika ni kuro yimo emu ye
o man mu die me de me hu ni say anya de say wiase mu akasa na be sa na chi bie mu nsa na chi ani mu ana ye ko bibia e ko high tech so de first titible me no ma na eni ho na ene wo ho no ntini me hu ni say bibia ko na nim tenya de say do mama ba kura na menya je say eno ma be san na chi ama bia mpabo e da hoi ene 30 cedi e be ton na 15 cedi na 10 cedi ensi wati asenti ni nyina na bibia nkakra mni say emre pa beba.
Okay, policy about me ade ba mu de na ye wo de
ba mi ade ne de
nka ni policies ni bi
bebre say bebre no de abade ba me de me free
education
na me school man ko bi nti ja me ko bi en minister da ache so baba mfa so am dey fine ma me e say no ma bebre bi wo e be ba me man ko school bi a me nya en benefit me on but school ni de minister da ma wo me de o me ko bi nti ne e da me nya eno so mfa so
nya me ya adoma me mende e be wo beto aba
ama wan
wo to aba e de ama wo sese wo betese mu ana so
me system me so amento me to ama wan
okay adentia
me abato omo nkoto ma de omo union mo na omo yere na omo mo ndi omo sika abato mintu bi da ko me say Yesu beba
ana watu bi a wanya
anu me ho ma to anu me ho mintu bi abato enti me so for kwa me ho be na yi asole ho dem o nyam be nya tai abato sunne
na ye campaign ma ne broso
campaign de mi je bi mananado bananado me je na ma kaya de ba ko school sem ko se mi nya sa akwanya na be no ntesa me koto mintu bi da
okay
da wie
ba se obusuani bi e benefit in school
mi ankasa me ba benefit ba mi nto school no mi nto bi wa wie mi nto bi
e yo den ko la wonto
o me de machine be sim mi hwina no kra mi nto sika se
oye o ma ba
pa na mi campaign ma je o Madina ha e wie che onye so me kro bi ama ye bi te me de abato de sunne
abate
o ye to aso ai
sa adentia
o ba oni ade se do ba de ka se card ye be chia de be sa ɛna dwama ama so obi a ehu ni da yahu na mamu ɛna yahu ba onua so mamu adwama ma de ye hia ne biem Ghana fo hia ne biem se pass ye ho akire yenim se o man no mo eden ɛna ye Ghana nko across the world because enyam bi atutu kwaye yenim de ekoso o mo send a message o mo ne video call yahu de ekoso na se ho akire ne epo bi amana be so yasena ne adwama ama dabi ba
now what to say Jama Ama say free education no mu nye ni yie NPP for mu nye ni yie nti mo mfama no na woti mu nye ni yie mfama mo wo ne say
na nya wona ade ba na abeda ye ni yie because na do gas all the free education ba no catch say 20 years time nti mi kura am gas nti papa we odwene Ghana ho 20 years time na wo say 60 something say 60 that is say na 20 years time na wo be 80 90 na abeda sam na won te so na we buy no and first year wa yama ye me bakura kobi this year what you say because papa we aya de ma e kura gina on ti ase ka fie bia kura wati obi a 1 million kura who Ghana you say to aya de nti papa de do poto amra fe on ti so di bom nti okọ a on fa ba nu asi o ma ye go ba onu de on ni dia ne Ghana de ene ni ewu kura ene kamonton na mo fa mo de ba mo
nti ba obi an policy o de ba mu de na ye o da o so beto aba
me me de kura se o se digital se den nti me ko mu no me nti ase obi chire mu no me kura me nwa bi atofo a o ye dey ututu an kakra almost 20 million 20 million plus
ni
nyina ka de yes he say kura so peka na se bi a ka no e bi a 500 million bi a me 200 million e beje na age me Ghana ka ni bi a se ya me subi tutu a ti me ye mpa bo adwuma yi ka se ye adwuma ma me madwuma nye mienu betima ba ye miensa na me so me koma nim skani nye bebi mu ba me so mabusuanfo be didi kama ti ba onya policy ndie yeso ehwe mu ne hu se ya pa ti e boje ne so ti December 7th there me to ba ya wa so serious wa mama Lydia say na o te George Malo osu ya bi o ya ma ye concert obi an adwuma to ntwe ne ho ne hu ya nim
semo was here Sisaran can for me ni dia mentimi nka se obi antoba emma MPP for anase obi antoba ma NDC for by me amakoma ne dia was here Sisam efise Sisam na ye ba be Sisam no MPP for se yentuma mo na free education beba free education na ye wo me no emboa ye first no ye tua school fees na se wo de 1 sirima akola akora obetima de kwoto aduane wo school ena wo de 20 sirima akola enso no akombeku no enu ntina ye ba be Sisam no ye hwe de anyame be ye enye obia na Ghana senisam ni nyina ewo nyakomponsam tima wie me
okay na amanfo se keka se mu NDC fo na wo mo ye NDC no
na bi enya se ye NDC fo me menye NDC ni a menye MPP ni ye tuba se ye ho beto ye but ye ho nto ye me ankasa se no me nkola ye fo ejuma mi ye hwe metima betina wie wenim sa me wie na 40 cedi ana se 50 cedis nkola fo omo ko school obetua omo printing fee obetua omo dua ne sika ni nyina no ye ho kire ye wo Ghana nyame ne nokore de ye ho kire ye enu ntina ye ba be Sisam ahwe ye nkan se ye Sisam e be ye ana se enye ba ye Sisam ahwe
na Sisam ma hwan ya
ye be Sisam NDC for na
NDC for
twa ma John Dramani Mahama
eti wo gide se oba ne ma be ye fo
menya nyame me ni gide se ni yama be ye fo ana se ni yama be kosoro ba ye Sisam ahwe de nyame be ye ni nyina se nyame nsam
se so na ncho no so free education e se okobi na ebi so meso ti e se ye tuas no nso tumi kobi
okay ntina se wo ba bi anya free education ho kwan ya wo kobi
onu ho ye o JSS1
okay ne ba ni ti kwa na beto ma rai
nka be se mento ababa mba ntimi dwene ni ama bi we se meto
na wo timi ko free education
bi kan ye o tumi kobi
okay na amomo na ye de na bi kan wo de u face amomo ni
ende ye nyina ye wo mba still
na obani ti beto ma
ai
okay ase so ne twetwe
so me das
oh yes sem
e wo nyame yaduma Saturday abato e batu
ya nsem a nyame be say man yes
nyame nsem a nyame be say man
be say man is an nyome ko so na nye yankopon na yi ma so nsamra
okay
so to me be di 3 times kwa Ghana be te sabrochi
Mahama be di 3 times
of course
Ghana be sabrochi
yes many party bia na so me ye hu Rollins amemu ye be hu kufuo me kan na ye to abama kufuo ye campaign ye ase ho ene kufuo de ba power the first time no owie no na nye ba second time no de ba me so be win no de win ye 2008 just say adwen ene ye de atames ba ye ma no sa be to aso ye ba opana ba ye de kufuo time no me ka drivers na o chichi won kogu sales no me ti yeye me ka wo na ba ji me May 8 May 9 na as ni kotoko bobo na amafo wo stadium no me ka wo mo ne ko su court baby as say amode ye cathedral no e ho no mo ne ko ye me ka wo na ne betua ye mo ne ye sha se 80 Ghana ena me ka wo na betua na ye ja me that day no May 9 no mo ja me May 9 na as ni kotoko bobo sa da na ni pe wo stadium bebele no nti papa we a obe fisi oba e wa mwa Ghana akufado amwa Ghana
upon free education
oh free education
e say kwan ahodo ne nema ahodo commission
onye hwe
okay
project nbebre o a mama handwriting second nyina mama na koje na memo ne sesae nti ono ba two scan wo ho ne nyina aka na ama we feel no se ne ni da so se edwuma ne nyina akoso wi a ye de abasobo ne be ma no mama ne nkofo na ehun kasa those days no omu hun kasa nko bia be hu se edwuma no nya akofo ado na ye nti me de sa akofo de nti ono a na ye beto ama no yes ono na nyame yi ne se o meje Ghana
o de wo busa me question ba me so mi so bu se wa se mi se from 2008 April 2012 obetimi a chairman kola dodo na school from 2016 up to ene obetimi a chairman kola dodo na school it was Ghana for your team di adwen to form ne hwe de we na do ene ne ba umia na omo ka no omo beye ama Ghana mi se me gyan we menya benefit wo so go fast for mienu awie free education
let's free education no ntina abeto
enya free education
okay
hospital se omo so omo sisi se na na do ba wasi bi akwan omo so omo ye na na do ba wa ye bi o se mum ye hu ga e ba boy ye dachi ene ye manom ye nana no so beba ni ye hwe so ni ye fa to aba enya se ye kokko twem se wo ba mama kokko ketekete ana se wo be ma wo be sisi toilet mama eno ni wen Mr. Ghana for mum ye hwe ye num ni ye to aba no ma ba omia na ba omia me to de na na do eye ne so na mwa Ghana ye ko ye ti de na du me bo me ba o se wa wo ma mienu na se wo ma no ba ko ye lawyer ba ko ye soja ni a obeka je se wonya soja dwuma no onko yi toilet na ana se wonya soja dwuma no onko prapra kwa ho onani mu hoko ana me wa edwuma mum ye mu aba umia wai
okay ye be bo no ba what to say mafo ka say no na nado ne niama wo komisia ye na hospital ne ndan ne nyina no ka say yewura John Mani Mahama ono ene ye ba wanwie do different amayimu nti na anya na nado ene ye John Mahama na ye ba wanwie ene ofiri o manya na nado ene shaase
me pacho se usi dan na se bia usi du baby na se mi wie se o mebe beto aso na se mi wie a se mi bebia no mi bebia na no me fra mo baby
okay
so o ba kwa o bi kwa me me mo atwa homa na me bua ade ti ni de ma obi bia nyina onko baby ade ti no onko so ahom onko twa homa mu se o na yeye
se we free on my free ayi
on to man
won your opposition nti no bia sa na be
ase o to man so e kwa o mu bia o betimi akọ obi ade ti no onko obi mama omunya propaganda ni oma na omunam koma na omoye no na de na do ye no ene de ene bio ba omia ba obeye be boa ye ene ye so no to aba e diti fo omutimi nya hwe magana fo bio omuni hwe magana fo bio
to bisa mi say yen system ana to aso mi mpe mu bia because of mine baby edru o mi nyina ntumi boa ye Saturday, the metro man no Tim KJ.
The one I have better man, I don't go. Until I don't say, I don't go. If you want to abandon the crab, go to my
John Dramani Mahama.
Sir,
because Papa no, me would deal with me. The first year, all the cabaret. It didn't go court, sir. If you was spending only 9 months of court, but all the 3 years, 3 months, okay. And it would be the 8 years. Shape you would your way, or months I'm man required the car as I did crown. As such a chichama crown, we work with Uba show you 19 million.
Kaya, the Ghana Deno. What is a child? Which child? Of course, you full crown. So what I say, even the Sia and I say, Oko market is here and be a new boy. Because you need be a dear about a center and a boy. But I may say, and this year, Bamoba power, the Omer say, Omo a fence, Omoko Parliament, Oka budget, Omoko market in this no mabo. Who is a no mabo? Omo say, no man, say, Galu Lunka 20 CDA, Omo family 15 CD. Yes, I will be a biato. So what I say, it is a sea and say, Omoko guy budget, Nasa, Sen Uncle Fonny, and almost one in a Tralasana, sell our man of Sabayet. Okay, but who would you say, John the Man Mahama? Would you say, John the Man Mahama? Bear or bar, say, any for crana, or be maintaining Senate because I don't know the police about what can I say, or bar, and so much Adriane side, you know, center and money at the Embu. Okay, on Nogazana, we no dog food. It will send a betting me. I am Adriane, Ayade, Abafon, because in 2016, we saw the Tratane in Yomana or Mudia, Fumidwan would be very by. Marshall Crana, Eddie Banch Crano, you would be by. It is a we farmer, no wait me aqua rent, no idea of Aberto, a madden be a bit near Biaman, I'm a fool. And to me, no said Don the man or bar, or betting me no time, and betting me be a farm. Okay, what does it eat? By me, 8 in a Chinian, I'm a herb. You whom baby, John the man, a Chinian, you know, Timon, the Empire born in and say, because the Empire to Empire. Nipana will say, or no, bar, but yes, or bar, not to move to or best sign. I then I want to cut in the boss say, Papa, I dare no, and sign, never be for a 7 as a call. But that's about no, or no, GD say, to discover, but on Passa, we're cutting a boss once. I don't know until you the boss one time. You might be about me, I can't say, or bar, between or no, that's what you or no, on the boss with you, on the boss, and no money yet. And this is about me, trust to my sign, Mama or ban, or best signs have been, or not kinds of bar best sign, you will GD or best sign. Or no, or call as a rest of God into say, Samuel, I will enquire a quarter. Okay, so what I say, Timmy Gillis don't the money about Mahama Bow, be a bear fine. Yeah, to us, but I didn't tell you to us. Didn't tell you to us, and they said, Dictana with the buying, a boy. What I say, free education, so a boy. Some any being, Yamma, it be coach school. Some Yamma man coach school, some bank coach school. I'm who at no be the idea be booming one Kayama, me who there's a bano, it to me a coach school. So what I say, but never boy at this, can you crew you still now so better MP. I met some MP just say, airport no, and yet MP for a ton yet, until you can hear my body by airport. Not a boy that's no, a yet there no more by yet. Me won't airport. Yes, port no, an airport, port, baby a union man on a toy, and see, yes, sure means I may try the enemy per home for sure. Me my for forgot me in Frigana. And yes, I mean, Niamana, Menya Miscara, Mogana for Metria Mamma, Menya Giano. Who you near my Major from
What you say? And still, Stabila no so, no more that's so cold when you ma. Ya G airport no be abeko form.
Never I had and free MPP amamu.
Dabi. Okay. If you do a finish work, cause on work on sit, I can't don't pay. Since I don't pay no, ya be na kakra na ma ba won kakra na ho kira ba nya no ho ntina ba bia me gina no. Mbeka se me be free mu.
Okay. Na mahama say for free education e ma no. Na wontimi shape ni ye wonye ni ye. Na nema bi wo ho no ma wontimi enye ni ye kam na mo nye ni ye. Mu ni say.
Oh. Ba ye di nka kan no wo si enye ye. Enti sie ya no double track kra na ye pene saa. So gusu ko na ni mu a ono ba hu nyansa obesi aye obesisem. Okay. What you say? Ema aye baako abom se de wo ba be ye no. What am I say? Enti eno ana ye pe.
Yo me acho me da say. Acho me also. Sisi ano yes sisemu. Ana say wo de no ye to aso.
Me a mini party.
Uni party well. Oh, ade.
Mini party o. Me wo kofi akpalu.
Wo kofi akpalu. Eso kofi akpalu o party. Kofi akpalu ya party. Eti ono na be choma nyame aduma December ya. Ono na be choma no nyame aduma.
Debi o. Me nye politics ba ni ameto man de wo ma adwum. Wo ma adwum. Me du asemeto aso se mesisem o. Wo ma adwum. Me tena se sisi na me bo akonta. Se meto aso mesisem nso na masisem. Okay. Se wo ma adwum. Ya to aso sister. Ya sisem ayedai. Sho mai baby edu. Makasa sho mai baby edu. Sisi e yo mai baby edu. Ma ha me yeso ma do. Wa bada. Ana ye hu dia waye. Ana ye hu se dia waye ni nyina anye. Ana ye se ye yi na firi so. Ono de na ka ne hu ni asem bebre. Ba na MPC fo no. Omu jimi nya firi so omu nim se omu ya nneoma. Ana ye yi ni firi so. Nipa ne ye so mado wa bada. But sisi ade ye de na ba no. O mada. Ana nipa no so wa ko school edu anim. Ana ne policy no de ba ni nyina aye. Sisi sister. Yes, I will Baba Kokra, which is school fees. I say, you see, I say, Akolaba could be out for 108 million. Our Kolaba could be out. Shakwala, who go school. Now, our Faba could be 180 million, 180 million. Sister, say, what you say? It's first and what I share and Kola, Naka, school. Baby, must you, Ebimuko, Ebimuch, Ebimuchine. Now, this is who was Adiano, who poor will be for Unyabi. At least see idea, yes, yeah, because by the policy, no, they ban. I do wom says you wom. Okay, what you say now, and for what I say, a free education, and yeah, it's like a bear from a winning match on Mahama. Now, what's the mission of free education? Sister, Obi, or not to one of Casa, your papa, or about the other. Nippon, see your papa, after you see your papa, and Kwafuka say, or Obetum, Nadenia papa to Abashanikana. Who said Adenia papa? Now, Mama no school for you, North, up to date, and school fees for university. Now, so Robayano, no, I'm passing your big free education to Okonofa, and Kolam school. It's enough. Cecilia Minuja say, Okonofa, Uber coffee to class 1, so I told Aquapim a year university. No school fees. Now, so I'm on call. Who's on book? I'm on call. Now, Mama, and I so this what's or free education. Now, so person be the Baba Kobi. It's done all by sister. Diana all by ye. Many about who may to Abapa. Why? And to Abapa. Order number 1. Order number 1. It is possible. Okay. Yatomano. Pepe.
I will see a hand of a quiet. I may a dear Manfajan Travel or Medina no ever so say. And I want more car at the Fanyamia do my 7 December, but why yet you who say. Wait, my comment or comment section on my face like my aim. Share Emma for any be and if you say a tap send a darama and our boy a chili dome. I may a babu and say, dear Manfajan tree ever so momidi. Eddie Akosia Boajawa could be the show sister Macram.
A very big hello to all our lovely Top Send customers across the world. We appreciate you and we say a big thank you for supporting us and sticking with us all these years. You are the reason Top Send is there, and you will know that right now you are not able to use Top Send to send money to Ghana. The reason is that the Bank of Ghana has suspended our local partnerships with banks and financial institutions in Ghana. That means that we are not able to send your money to Ghana right now. This suspension is to do with the wallet product, which we TapTapSend launched in the UK and Europe. The wallet product is licensed by the regulators in the UK and Europe. It is legal and is totally compliant with all the regulations. Bank of Ghana, however, have some concerns with the wallet, which we are working really hard to address. So for now, they have suspended our operations in Ghana for up to a month, and we are working to do our very best to reduce that suspension as it stands. I will say though that the wallet product is legal in the UK, like I said. Your money is completely safe and protected by the laws in UK and Europe. So don't worry about your money. If you have money in the wallet, it will still be there when we come back, and it will be safe and secure. This wallet is innovation from us, and we hope that we can resolve this and continue to serve you, the Ghanaian diaspora. What I'll say though is, just like you stuck with us all this time, please stick with us again. Don't send your money through others. Hold the money if you can, and send it in December, because we are coming with big promotions, we are coming with big giveaways, and we are coming with good rates to allow you to send money to Ghana and have more money for your loved ones in Ghana. So please stay with us. Your love help us build TapTapSend to where it is right now. Your love and your support will continue to help us come back from these issues and continue to build TapTapSend. Thank you very much. We love you from all of the Ghana team. Please keep supporting us. We'll be back soon.
TapTapSend. Papa no no.